Hi, this is Desert Fox, and you're at Springs in the Desert. This is going to be a short one. It's on a home improvement, 2 little things that we did in front of the house. And just want to say, don't be afraid to reuse things. We'll get into it in a second.
Sound.com.
Okay, I was saying don't be afraid to reuse things. I had a bakery in Wasabi, Sinaloa for quite a few years, and here's a photograph of it. And that little 3-globe street lamp that's in front of it, I put that street lamp in there. I bought it and I had it installed. And when I closed my business a year ago last June, I had the lamp removed and I took it with me to the rental house that I was in before I am where I am now. And then when I moved from there and came here, I had it pulled up from there and brought here. And the second photograph shows a little cement slab that I had my lovely gentleman make for me for the light and the base of the light being installed. And the third photograph is it installed. It's not wired yet. It's just installed. But we want to repaint it first before it's rewired. It has a bunch of attention drawn to it anyway, and one of its little arms is loose. The one that's closest to the fence on the right-hand side, I think you can see. So we need to tighten it up and spiffy it up and clean up the glass and, repaint it and all, but it has a home. I was just afraid it was going to get broken and in even worse condition, just hanging around. So we got that done. And so the next photograph is while they were doing that little tiny cement slab, I had them do another one because on the other side of my business, which you can't see in the business photograph, but more right of that was my trash, my bote de basura, where they picked up the trash. There are street dogs, and street dogs will tear your trash apart, so you tend to elevate your trash. So the first picture is of the cement slab that where the bote de basura went, the trash can went, and my son went over the whole thing with steel wool and got rid of all the rust and all the rough spots and all, and repainted it a gloss Rust-Oleum black. And the next 2 pictures are of it installed at its new location in front of our driveway. So that's not a very big thing, but I really love having both of those things installed, and I really love not having the street dogs tearing apart my trash anymore too. There's quite a few street dogs here. Unfortunately, people that don't want their dogs, they just bring them here and throw them out of the car, and they'll make it at the beach. I don't know why they think that, but so there are quite a few dogs that don't have forever homes, and it's kind of sad. But I'm happy about these 2 things being finished, and like I said, don't be afraid to reuse things. Give it a new coat of paint, buy a little bit of wire and extend those pieces, so that they can continue being useful to you. It's better for the environment, it's better for your pocketbook, and I just think that it's being a good steward, So thank you so much for coming and spending part of your day with me. I really appreciate it. And if you like anything you see, give it a thumbs up. That makes my day. And I just went to Nogales last weekend for my November once a year big Nogales trip. And I picked up my worldwide map. And I got my first person commenting where they're from. So I'm going to have to go into Los Mochis next week and go pick up the corkboard so I can put it up over here, so I can put my map up, so I can put that little thumbtack or push pin in Tucson, Arizona, because that's where my first viewer that told me where they're from is from. So if you like what you see, I'd love a subscription. If you do subscribe, please click on that bell so that you're notified of, anytime that we drop a video. And again, I'm so happy you're here. It makes my day. You're why I'm here. Have a very blessed day. Toodles.